20 vegetable names in English. Turnip. Turnip. A round root vegetable with purple and white skin. Example, he adds turnip to the soup. Zucchini. Zucchini. A long green vegetable like a cucumber. Example, she cooks zucchini with cheese. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. A green vegetable that tastes bitter. Example, he fries bitter gourd for lunch. Drumstick. Drumstick. A long thin vegetable used in curry. Example, she adds drumstick pieces to the soup. Mint. Mint. A green herb with a fresh smell and taste. Example, he puts mint leaves in his drink. Coriander. Coriander. Green leaves used to add flavor to food. Example, she sprinkles coriander on curry. Lettuce. Lettuce. A leafy green vegetable used in salads. Example, he eats lettuce with tomatoes. Leek. Leek. A vegetable that looks like a big green onion. Example, she cooks leek soup for dinner. Celery. Celery. A green vegetable with long crunchy stalks. Example, he eats celery sticks with sauce. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. A root vegetable that tastes sweet. Example, she bakes sweet potatoes for lunch. Yam. Yam. A starchy root vegetable like sweet potato. Example, he cooks yam with spices. Capsicum. Capsicum. A colorful vegetable also called bell pepper. Example, she adds red capsicum to the salad. Turnip greens. Turnip greens. The green leaves of the turnip plant. Example, he cooks turnip greens with garlic. Spring onion. Spring onion. A small onion with long green leaves. Example, she cuts spring onion for noodles. Artichoke. Artichoke. A green vegetable with thick leaves. Example, he eats artichoke with butter. Kale. Kale. A dark green leafy vegetable full of vitamins. Example, she makes kale chips for snacks. Asparagus. Asparagus. A long green vegetable with soft tips. Example, he grills asparagus for dinner. Fenugreek leaves. Fenugreek leaves. Green leaves used in curries. Example, she cooks fenugreek leaves with potatoes. Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd. A long light green vegetable. Example, he cooks bottle gourd with rice. Turnip root. Turnip root. The white root part of the turnip plant. Example, she boils turnip root for soup. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. Check out our other videos to learn more words. See you in the next lesson.